Hey guys, PJ with Expand Realty in Lubbock. Check out our new listing in Lubbock. This house is still under construction. We probably got about 30 days to finish it out. It's built by Lifestyle Home in Lubbock. It's right off the 98 and Frankfurt. Let's go and check it out. Open concept kitchen that you have a dining room, living room, and your kitchen, and it opens up to the beautiful back porch or side porch. Actually, is a covered porch with a smaller yard. This house has a smaller yard. It doesn't have a huge yard, but it's a great size yard if you don't want to have a big maintenance on the yard. But the kitchen, it's a gray color cabinet, beautiful granite countertop, and the island is beautiful. And then you come to the living room, you have a double ceiling up here with the fireplace in the middle that you can mount a TV on top, and you have a dining room right behind you. So you have 2 bedrooms on this side of the house. It's kind of separated from the entire house. You got 1 bedroom here, bathroom in the middle, and you have another bedroom here with a vaulted ceiling. Beautiful setup, and it's very, very functional. So we are in the master bedroom. The master features a double door that opens to the side porch, so you can use the side porch from the master, and it's a really good size. We have a gray color throughout the whole house, and all the trim is a darker gray. And then you come to the bathroom, you have a double vanity with a shower in the between, and then your tub is gonna be on this side. Very functional again. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, my name is PJ with Expand Realty in Lubbock. If you have any question about this home or any other listings that we have available for sale, please reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to assist you with anything. Thank you so much again, and have a blessed day.